Nigerians are unhappy. Nigerians are suffering. Now, with the pandemic, the situation now becomes unbearable. So any little thing that you have now can ignite a lot of problems in this country. So that is the truth of the matter. The situation that has arisen is such that the team around the president do not have the kind of access some of us had when we were advisors to President Jonathan.
That's access to the president.
To the president. Now, those who have access to him are not doing the right thing. Now, those who are defending the policies of the government, rightly or wrongly, and in most cases, they defend them wrongly. That's the problem. I mean, I had instances of walking up to President Jonathan to say to him, sir, Mr. President, we are going in this wrong direction. And if we do not stop it now, we will have problems. You don't politicize matters with terrorists. All parties must be on the same page. And that was how we had the All-Party Summit on the 12th of June, 2014. And I was able to convince General Muhammadu Buhari, as he then was, to attend the summit, which he did. We need to know how the security apparatus is being coordinated today. In our time, the NSA coordinates the entire security apparatus. So he distills all the information that come to him and then proceed to Mr. President with an executive summary. And in most cases, they were perfect, correct, uncontestable. But today, what you see is sharp disagreements amongst the security agencies. So it does not help matter. So there are quite a lot of confusing issues in governance today.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.